Hey there, glad you could join me. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well today. I'm Daryl Ballard, and I wanted to talk about a couple of things. It's going to be really quick, but wanted to talk about a couple of things today. This is actually a bonus video or a series of 10 that I did on living the online business lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about multiple streams of income as well as scaling. And these are things that you can do as your business develops. Actually, you can do multiple streams of income from day one, but as your business develops, you can use these things to make it better, make it work better for you. Okay? So you don't necessarily need to see all of those 10 videos. This information can certainly stand on its own. If you want to, though, I will have a link to the series of videos in the playlist that you can get on YouTube below in the description of this video. So let's start by talking about multiple streams of income. Now, when I talk about multiple streams of income, I don't mean having multiple businesses, okay? Because that just takes a lot more time. I'm talking about really taking advantage of several streams of income, but in your one business. So let's use some examples. In the niche that I'm in, and that's helping people build businesses, you could have your main offer, like mine, which is specifically a tutorial on helping you to build your business. But you could offer several other things that just sort of naturally happen that people need as they do this, as they go through this tutorial, as they try to build their own business. For instance, some things that we've talked about in that video series, the tools that you need, could be something that you're an affiliate of, like your funnel builder and your Autoresponder and your click tracker and the hosting for your website and all of those things. You can be an affiliate of those, and you can make a little money on the side on those as well. Just to give a few other examples, let's say you're in the health niche, your weight loss or something like that. You could look in, let's say you're selling a product in ClickBank. You could look at some of the other products in ClickBank that relate to that. Weight loss, what naturally goes along with that, some sort of exercise program, some product on that, some product on, I don't know, developing six-pack abs or something like that once they've lost the weight. Some things on motivation might be something of use to those people. So you could have some other things that are just listed on your website or in your videos that might be useful to those people who are purchasing the main product that you're representing. Okay? So those are things that you don't have to spend a lot of time promoting. Those are just things that naturally come along with that. And because you've got an audience that now knows, likes, and trusts you and is a customer of yours, they may be interested in some related products that will be beneficial to them, and obviously you'll make a commission. Okay, so that's how, and this could be true for any niche you're in. There are always going to be multiple products, but that's how you can use multiple streams of income to improve the results in your business. Another thing that can you probably have some products that go along with it that they could get on Amazon. Now, Amazon affiliate commissions are not great, but there's something there. It's not nothing. So you can list some of the products that you use. I list some that I use to make video, for instance, on my videos that I put on YouTube that some people purchase, and I make a small commission on that. It's not huge, but over time it's a little bit of money, and it's something that you should take advantage of. So that's multiple streams of income. The other thing we're going to talk about is scaling. Now, as your business develops, you'll find some things that work for you. It may be in a small way, and if you're tracking things carefully with your click tracker, you can actually know how much, what your return on investment is, that sort of thing. Even if you're making a fairly small return, once you know that it works, not only can you use that click tracker to maybe improve it with split testing and that sort of thing, but you can use that data to say, okay, this is successful. I'm going to double down on this. Okay, I'm going to send even more traffic there. I'm going to spend a little more on it because I know it's something that works. Okay, and that's what we call scaling. Now, I said double down, but you could go significantly farther than that. Do it carefully at first, but once you know something works, you can increase the amount that you send to that and make your results even bigger. Okay, so those are some of the really important things that you can do to grow your business after you get started and know you've got some things that are successful. And like I say, multiple streams of income you can use from day one. And some of those things may actually be fairly large amounts of income from them. All right, so I just wanted to share a couple of those things as a bonus to the 10-part series that we had to help you get started with a business, to live the online business lifestyle. Hope that's helpful. Definitely check out what I'm doing below if you're interested in doing that, if you're interested in starting a business on your own. And thank you for watching today, and we will see you on the next video.